Hey guys, this is MGM904 and I'm going to show you how to make an origami whirly bird. You'll just need a pair of scissors and a piece of origami paper. If you have like really small origami paper, it's not going to work. I don't think it will work out as well, but you can try it. I've never tried it before. And one piece of origami paper makes 4 of these, so that's pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to split up your paper into 4ths the long way. So you can do that, and then fold both ends into the middle. And then you get four like little areas. You're just gonna, you can either cut them or tear them. Okay, you're only gonna need one of these. So I'm just gonna tear out one. Okay, so just take your one piece of origami paper, fold it in half like this, okay. Whoops. Okay. And then after you do that, you're going to unfold it and fold it the other way. Okay, then open it back up. Take your scissors and fold them and cut on the vertical line to the center line, but don't cut it like right at the center horizontal line. Cut it about this far away, so I have it about this far away from the center horizontal line, and then cut the horizontal line, but don't just cut it a little bit, not too much from the center, but you don't want to cut it to the center. Now when you're done with that, you should have 3 cuts. 1, 2, 3. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold them like an airplane. So fold these edges into the center crease. And then, like, so this should be like a fold. You're going to fold just the bottom part, like this, into the center crease. And don't do it to the top one. And then just do it to the other side. You're almost done, you just need one more step. There's like, so you just want to like kind of work these, like fold them, or like make it so there's a little space like a V right here. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like and how to use it. So let me just, let me just take it off the tripod. Okay. And so you have it, and just drop it. Just drop it like this. So I'll do it a couple more times. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's basically it. Hope you liked my tutorial. Comment, rate, and subscribe. See you later.